Left leg sit, don't get ahead. Yes. Now both legs are forward. Yup. Excellent. Lower leg underneath you. A little contact with his mouth. Try to bring the right leg back. A little stronger. Yep. You want to make sure that when you put your leg on him, he's listening and he's good girl. He's comfortable, isn't he?
Yeah.
Good. Push into your heel. Keep your right leg back a little more. Good. Let's see a nice towards the outer edge of the circle. The inside grade of the right leg is telling you to go right. So there, all you did was lean in, right? Supporting the leg. Excellent. Leg back behind the bird. Yep, that your right leg ends up a little too far. Hands down. Perfect. Continue a little. All right, so we just lost it. Stay with him. Look up. Excellent. Good. Perfect. Beautiful. Nice and low out of the turn. Land into both heels with your hip angled back. Good. Excellent. Keep your right leg back and underneath you. Good, easy. Make it work, easy. All right, when you jump, roll off. Little inside leg to start the turn. Left leg to finish. Look at it. Count. You want to put his hind end there. Heels down. Bring over his neck. It's not going to happen. That's right. A little more left leg out of the turn. Outside leg. Pull. Left ring. Beautiful. Got it, girl. Turn your head and look. Look. Close your leg as you take a connection with his mouth. A little bit of left leg. Think about staying in. Left leg. All right. Just walk. Press. Count. Stay up. Good girl. Right ring, right. Very nice. Good. And just come walk it. So see if we can't fix our land into your heel. Sooner than you did. Continue. Keep going. Black and white gate. Stay up in your hand. Look up. Good. Look up. Look at the lead. Look up. Nice. Shoulders, shoulders. All right, push them over and then